Today I will show how to buy shares of CuriosityStream Inc. using a broker, step by step. CuriosityStream is a streaming service focused on factual and documentary content, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker CURI, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically by uploading an identity document, and add funds before making a purchase. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker CURI to find CuriosityStream. Make sure you select the result that shows the NASDAQ listing so you have the correct stock. Open the asset page to review the company summary and the price chart for context. Double-check the company name and NASDAQ ticker to confirm it is the CuriosityStream share you intend to buy. Tap Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, review any fees and the order details, then confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until it reopens, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will ask you to add money before finalizing. Once the order is executed, your CuriosityStream position will appear in your portfolio for tracking. If you want to follow the same steps, the eToro link is available in the description.